Hey everybody, how's it going? I just wanted to jump in today and talk a little bit about something that I've been very excited about, and it's been a long time coming, and that is the Peak Design mobile collection. They decided to do a mobile collection where they have cases and mounts and super cool little loops on their cases for you. And I backed the Kickstarter for it forever ago, and then because of a pandemic, things got delayed and took forever, and I just had to patiently wait on something that I knew was gonna be awesome because I've backed Peak Design stuff since the very first capture clip. And I've either backed it on Kickstarter or just waited until it got in their store and bought it. But I've bought everything. I have, geez, behind me there's camera cubes. I have everyday bags. I have travel bags. I have capture clips. I have straps. Peak Design always produces very thoughtful items. I'm shooting on the Peak Design tripod right now. And they always produce very thoughtful items. And so anytime they come out with something new, immediately I'm like, oh yes, this is awesome. But this one I was extra excited for because, a lot of times I don't have my whole camera set up with me. I have my phone. And it's got great cameras for just collecting something when I'm out and about and not having to worry about it. And I wanted to bring that care and attention to detail into my phone situation so that when I wanted to shoot something with my phone, that it would be as easy and feel as professional as when I'm shooting with my Sony camera right now. And so I gladly snatched up the case, and I got the creator kit, which lets you attach the case back here, clips in, and then it attaches to a GoPro mount or a Peak Design capture plate so that you can put it on the tripod or in the little capture clip right here on your backpack or whatever you want. And then I also got a handlebar mount for a bike, or since I got the universal bar mount, it's just a little rubber strap and you can just put it on any bar, an oar, side-by-side roll bar, a four-wheeler front shelf thing. If it's a bar, you can put it around it. It's good to go. And then I also got the cool little mobile tripod, and it sticks onto the back of this, and then you have just a tripod that stands up wherever you need it and folds up slim, puts in your pockets, good to go. Very cool, thoughtful stuff, and I'm very excited to get it all. The wait, yeah, obviously that sucks, but I'm a patient person, so I'm just excited to get it, and excited that it all meets expectation and exceeds them, as most Peak Design stuff does for me. They did a great job with it, and I'm so happy it's finally here and I get to use it every day. And I hope this answers some questions for you guys if you're curious about the Peak Design mobile stuff. If you have more questions, put them down in the comments below and I'll try to answer them in a later video for you guys. All right, I hope to see you out there. Bye.